Now we are discussing about money making options. In that today we are discussing about sell old books and games on Amazon. You can sell in Amazon also old books and games also. Amazon makes it fairly easy to list and sell old books, games and devices in its marketplace. You can make more than just a few bucks if you have pricey textbooks from college. Be sure that books are in good condition. You will get negative reviews if you attempt to sell books that are falling apart or games that are scratched up. Remember, be upfront about any defects, no matter how small they might be, and no matter how few people might readily notice them. It is also important to note that in addition to selling in Amazon, you can earn passive income through Amazon's affiliate marketing network as an Amazon associate. For those who may be unfamiliar, affiliate marketing in an advertising model which allows a company to sell their products through a third party or affiliate, which markets the products for a commission. One good example I will give that beginningly Amazon is also Amazon boss is also once upon a time he is a old book seller. Nowadays so many products are coming, world famous, so many A to Z you can get in Amazon, but beginningly he is a old books seller. So the concept is always very good. For the time being, it has been expanded to the entire world. So it is a blissful thing and wishful thing and prosperity to not only him and to the nation and to all countries also for enjoying the products and getting in online also. So this is the information you can utilize very well. Wishing you all the best.